Let's compare Motorola Razr 40 versus Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. Operating system, Android 13 versus Android 13. Chipset, Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 versus Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. GPU, Adreno 644 versus Adreno 730. Display type, Foldable LTPO AMOLED, 1B colors, 144 A's, HDR10 plus, 1400 nits, versus Foldable LTPO AMOLED, 1B colors, 165 H's, HDR10 plus, 1400 nits. Display size, 6.9 inches, versus 6.9 inches. Display resolution, 1080 x 2640 pixels, versus 1080 x 2640 pixels. Display protection, Gorilla Glass Victus versus Gorilla Glass Victus. Base memory internal base, 128 GB 8 GB RAM versus 256 GB 8 GB RAM. Main camera, 64 MP f1.7, 13 MP f2.2 versus 12 MP f1.9, 13 MP f2.2. Video, 4K 30 fps, 1080p 30/60 fps versus 4K 30 fps, 1080p 30/60/120 fps. Selfie camera single, 32 MP f2.4 versus 32 MP f2.4. Video, 4K 30 fps, 1080p 30/60 fps versus 4K 30 fps, 1080p 30/60 fps. Sensors, fingerprint, side-mounted, versus fingerprint, side-mounted. Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi 802.11 versus Wi-Fi 802.11. Bluetooth, 5.3 versus 5.3. USB, Type-C 2.0 versus Type-C 2.0. Battery type, lithium polymer battery, 4,200 mAh non-removable versus lithium polymer battery, 3,800 mAh non-removable. Charging, 30W wired versus 30W wired. Weight 188.6 gram versus 184.5 gram. Price, $726 versus $1,130 to $1,370.